As you all know, just few minutes ago, the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina addressed all of our activists, Awami League leaders, Jubo League, Satlu League, Student League, Shachasabak League, Maharara Awami League, State Awami League, especially Metro Washington Awami League, Virginia State Awami League, Maryland Awami League leaders are here. What she said, you all know. What is happening in Bangladesh, we all know. The world also know. But the world know it little different. That's why we are here today. We are here in front of the State Department, where Honorable Marco Rubio, the Secretary of State offices. What we are here, we already submitted a written document, a written complaint about the so-called judgment, court judgment, illegal court judgment that declared on 17, which is illegal, which is illegally constituted, which is illegally instituted because the very government is illegal.
Yes.
So very government, when the government is illegal, then the court is illegal. So the verdict is illegal. So we are not for that. Why you are here? Because doing that, they tarnish the image of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's daughter, the Honorable 5-time followed Prime Minister's image. We are here to condemn that you cannot tarnish the image of the 17 good people's loving, honorable, popular Prime Minister of Bangladesh. So we are here for that. So we want to know the world through this protest that we are here not for the judgment. We are here that through that judgment, they tarnish the image that she created whole world last 15 years of her administration that bring the Bangladesh from low-income country to a solvent country in the whole world. And she was example for the world leaders. Last 17 years she came to, and everybody wanted to meet her. And that's why you are here. If we can help, if we can request to world that it was meticulously designed to tarnish the image of a popular government of Bangladesh. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu.
বঙ্গবন্ধু মানেই বাংলাদেশ, শেখ হাসিনা মানেই বাংলাদেশ। আজকে বাংলাদেশের বিচার করছে রাজাকার। আমরা যেভাবে ৭১ সেই রাজাদেরকে প্রতিহত করেছিলাম জাতির পিতা বঙ্গবন্ধুর ডাকে, ঠিক তেমনি ভাবে বঙ্গবন্ধুর কন্যা 18 কোটি মানুষের স্বপ্নদ্রষ্টা মানবতার নেত্রী জননেত্রী শেখ হাসিনার ডাকে যদি প্রয়োজন হয় একটা যুদ্ধ আমরা শরিক হব ইনশাল্লাহ। মনে রাখবেন, এভাবে সংগ্রাম রাজাকার মুক্ত করার সংগ্রাম। জয় বাংলা, জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু, জয় শেখ হাসিনা।